In an effort to end dependency on imports and encourage exports, the new investment in a sugar plant should help Sudan increase sugar production by 450,000 tons annually and start exporting sugar by 2014, say officials and executives. The African country is trying to cut food imports, stalking inflation and eating into the dwindling budget. Boosting sugar production is a top priority, as sugar is the most important food item for the 32 million Sudanese. The country is one of the biggest African sugar producers after South Africa and Egypt, but needs to import at least 400,000 tons annually. To achieve self-sufficiency, Sudan will launch in April a new sugar plant, the White Nile Sugar Company.
In the first year, we are targeting producing about 150,000 tons of sugar. Of course, as we develop our sugar farm or sugarcane farm, this quantity is going to be increasing. Next year, we are targeting about 250,000 tons. And the third year, we are targeting to reach the full capacity of the project, which is 450,000 tons of sugar.
The White Nile Sugar Company was established in 2004 and will go online in April. Located in a remote savanna region, the plant will be fed with water from the nearby White Nile. The new plant, in which Sudan's Kanana Sugar Company, owned by Saudi Arabia, Kuwait and Sudan, aims to provide much-needed power in Sudan, still struggling to supply the vast and mostly arid country with electricity, animal feed and ethanol. Other shareholders are Sudanese firms and 2 Egyptian investors. Sudan plans to build 4 more plants with help of development loans from India and China, which would propel production to over 2 million tons in 2016. The plan, the Greater Sugar Plan, which is endorsed by the cabinet, is to produce 10 million tons. By the year 2014, we will exceed 1.5 million tons. By the end of 2016, we will exceed 2 million tons. In another expansion, the White Nile Sugar Company wants to produce 20,000 tons a year of sunflower, peanuts and sorghum, a staple food in Sudan.